Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked around your room and thought it just needs something? A bit of life, a splash of color, a touch of nature? Well, today we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to transform any room, big or small, into your very own lush green indoor garden oasis. First things first, let's talk about the single most important factor for your future plant babies: light. You don't need a sun-drenched greenhouse to have a beautiful indoor garden. The key is understanding the light you have. Take a day to just observe. Where does the sun hit directly? Those are your highlight spots, perfect for succulents or cacti. Bright, indirect light is the sweet spot for many houseplants. Think monstera, fiddle leaf figs, or calatheas. Don't worry if your room is on the darker side. Low-light champions like the snake plant and pothos will thrive. Modern grow lights are a game-changer. They come in all shapes and sizes, from single bulbs to sleek panels. Now for the fun part, choosing your plants. To create that lush oasis feel, you need variety. Think in terms of layers. Start with a statement plant, a wow factor piece like a tall fiddle leaf fig or a majestic bird of paradise. Next, add your mid-level plants like philodendrons or a bushy Boston fern to create density and texture. Finally, bring in the trailers and climbers. A pothos cascading from a high shelf adds that jungle-like overflowing abundance. The best indoor garden is one that works for you. Forgetful waterer? Go for drought-tolerant snake plants and ZZ plants. Now, how do we style them? The secret is thinking vertically and playing with levels. Floating shelves are your best friend for displaying smaller plants. They turn a blank wall into a living work of art. Hanging planters are essential for that lush canopy effect. You can hang them from the ceiling or a curtain rod. Let's talk about pots and planters. This is where you can tie your garden into your existing home decor. One pro tip is to use cache pots. These are decorative outer pots without drainage holes that hide plastic nursery pots. How do you keep it alive? The number one mistake is overwatering. Before you water, always check the soil. When you do water, do it thoroughly until water runs out of the drainage holes. This encourages strong root growth. Try a weekly plant check-in. Water who's thirsty, dust off leaves, and rotate your plants for even growth. During the growing season, most houseplants benefit from liquid fertilizer every few weeks. Less is always more. Don't be scared of a little pruning. Trimming off yellow leaves keeps the plant looking tidy and healthy. Placing a large mirror behind a group of plants will instantly double the greenery and make the space feel larger. Creating an indoor garden is about more than just decor. It's a sanctuary that grows and changes with you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, happy planting!